In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio when someone raises their hand in Zoom. If that little chime keeps interrupting your flow during meetings or webinars, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to turn it off so you can stay focused while still seeing who needs attention. We'll start in the Zoom web portal, where your account-level preferences live. Once you're in your browser and on Zoom, look to the upper right and click Profile. This takes you into your personal account area, which is where Zoom keeps the controls that affect how your meetings behave. Think of this space as the master dashboard for your preferences, separate from the in-meeting controls you use while hosting or joining a call. Next, open Meetings and Webinars. This section groups together the settings that influence the live experience, from how people interact to what you hear and see as the host or participant. It's the right place to be if you're adjusting notifications or fine-tuning audience engagement features. Now locate the Reactions area. In Reactions, find the option labeled Play Audio Chime when someone has raised their hand. Switch this off. When it's disabled, you won't hear that ding anymore when a participant raises their hand. Zoom typically saves toggle changes immediately, so you shouldn't need to click anything else once you turn it off. A quick note on what this changes and what it doesn't. Turning off the chime silences the sound on your side, helping you keep the conversation moving without audible interruptions. It doesn't stop people from raising their hands, and it doesn't remove your visual cues. You'll still see the raised hand icon in the participants list and on their video thumbnail, so you can acknowledge questions at the right moment. If you ever miss the convenience of the alert, you can return to the same setting and turn it back on just as easily. This setting is especially helpful in sessions where the chime triggers frequently, like training calls, classes, or large town halls. By relying on visual indicators instead of sound, you keep your audio channel clean for speakers and recordings while still keeping track of audience engagement. It also helps reduce distractions for you if you're presenting or screen sharing. And that's it. Click Profile in the upper right, go into Meetings and Webinars, then in Reactions, disable Play Audio Chime when someone has raised their hand. Your meetings will be quieter, more polished, and easier to manage from here on out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your calmer Zoom experience.